Hi all, this is Raquel and today we're doing tapioca for a way. So we are using the same tapioca that the traditional tapioca we last made, and we're giving it a spin and trying in different savory and sweet flavors. So hopefully this can give you some inspiration. So differently from what we had in the previous video, now I'm not using a sieve to make my tapioca. I'm just spreading the powder out on a hot surface, and as soon as you do that, the tapioca is gonna come together as one crepe. And here I'm doing my first filling. I'm using some lettuce and some chicken salad. I use Greek yogurt to make my chicken salad, but you can use mayo or anything you want. This is great for lunch or something lighter if you're gonna go out or if you're gonna work out. So this is our fitness chicken salad tapioca. Here I'm using the same tapioca base that we made, and I'm making a cheese and ham tapioca. This is great for breakfast or a snack. I put the shredded mozzarella first so you get a chance to melt, and then some thinly sliced ham, and topped it off with some sliced avocado for some creaminess and richness. And then I'm just seasoning the avocado to get some flavor on top of it, and then folding over my tapioca as per usual, topping it off with some olive oil, and then you have it with a green smoothie. It's a great filling. I topped it off with fried egg there too. Now we're jumping to some sweet flavors here. I'm using some peanut butter. Feel free to use almond butter, cashew butter, and then topping it off with a sliced banana, and making a classic Elvis style, instead of banana and peanut butter sandwich, making a tapioca, so gluten-free. Topped it off with some cinnamon and then some agave nectar. You can use honey or maple syrup if you want, and there you have a sweet treat that is not that guilty, and you can enjoy. And then finally, our last sweet flavor, I'm using some hazelnut spread here, chocolate hazelnut. Nutella is great. You can use any chocolate based product that you prefer. And then I'm topping it off with some cut up strawberries. You can use any sort of berries you have, blueberries, raspberries, anything that you prefer, and then some toasted sliced almonds for some extra crunch, and folding it over, and that you have it with some vanilla ice cream will be great. I hope you guys give it a try, and hope y'all have a great day. Bye.